Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making oven-roasted cabbage steaks with sautéed veggies and melted cheese. It's low-carb, full of flavor, and absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. Start by cutting 4 large cabbage slices into thick steaks, about 1 inch thick. Lay them flat on a baking pan lined with parchment paper, and don't forget to grease the paper so nothing sticks. Now let's make a quick and flavorful marinade. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Mix everything well, then generously brush it over each cabbage slice. Pop the tray into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it roast for 20 to 25 minutes, until the edges start to brown and crisp up beautifully. While the cabbage is baking, let's prepare a colorful veggie topping. In a pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot, sauté 1 large julienned onion and 3 minced garlic cloves for about 2 minutes. Next, toss in 1 julienned red bell pepper and 1 large grated carrot. Season with half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable seasoning. Keep sautéing until everything is soft and tender. Take the roasted cabbage steaks out of the oven and top each one with the sautéed veggies, then add a generous sprinkle of grated cheddar cheese on top. Finally, add a touch of thyme for that lovely herbal aroma. Place the tray back in the oven and bake for another 15 minutes, or until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And there you have it, perfectly roasted cabbage steaks topped with savory veggies and melty cheddar cheese. A satisfying low-carb meal that's bursting with flavor. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a dish from Heaven's Kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.